number 3. Where's all the dressing come from out?
From me and Rob.
Listen, I've seen it when it's stripped off the bubbling burger. He used to do that 1-inch punch. Oh, are you? A little bit. Job right, yeah.
You're asking questions, but I do it on purpose because someone who comes out with a claim will go, oh, you didn't declare that, you're not sure. You're not paying out. And it's just, it's not worth it, is it? You know. But check with him.
But you know in cars, when the engine light comes on, you stick it in garage and get it, no. Go on to your battery, check the...
You get caught out, it doesn't right like that.
That's an inject.
I think the chap.
That's there. I've never done it. Well, like what I was saying, man, he won't get past his zip.
Oh, no. There's not much of mine left.
Oh, that's why he brought your glass.
So can you do it without sound then? You just knock the sound off?
Kettles are ready.
Yeah. I mean. One of these, do we?
Might be under cups. Like a flat clip.
I try not, you know, I try not to, but it has happened on more than one occasion, and
I'll scratch.
oh, it really is so. But
In oregano. In today, I'm good actually. Thinking about it.
This morning, sky was orange.
It's been visible, but I haven't seen it. Pitch at the top of Thornton, and he said he saw it.
Just so that young kids do it.
What you see in the pictures, is it what?
I can't get it out any time.
Sensor recording.
Yeah. Yeah, listen, I've had that 6 years. I got one through then. And I've had it five Boxing Day practically. And that was Will you get one of these spirits till they're coming out? They know it's just over you. The elder legs open. I do it. That's an appropriate to your mother or your father.
Oh, you would fly. You were a flying, I
Sticking nice in your middle. Come in.
A verbal.
I need to stop it off.
Steady on, Jim.
Oh, is that...
I was a bit out of it with yeah,
had a breakfast there Wednesday morning. We didn't come home all day after. Hey, look at that. Keep boxing or...
Every year, isn't it? Right.
Excuse me.
They just like more everywhere.
Don't need any more.
I've got it,
You can record that bit if you want. Did you see me nod at you?
Yeah.
Cooking!
You're getting a YouTube channel and this doing this, but you'll do well, you know.
Don't put his name on it like that, Rob. I need to meet him.
Get this fire.
You know what I'm saying? If you've done it upside down, then that way, yeah.
So then it don't go right to the bottom and suck it all out.
You're off on the floor.
No, well that was it. Oh yeah, I seen that. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Tuck in.
Half hours.
Yeah, and then I bet it's a good 2 hours to Newcastle.
Yeah, I can't wait till we get us on YouTube channel. Are you?
Alright.
You must get a buzz out of looking at your own video. You must get a kick out of what you've done.
How long put him out?
Look at him. I put him on 2 water balls last night.
Boss.
Yum yum. Better than any gimbal. Have a camera of a chicken's head.
That's insane. Have you ever done it?